In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a QuickBooks Petty Cash account in QuickBooks. Managing petty cash is crucial for handling minor business transactions efficiently, and QuickBooks makes this process straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through setting up a petty cash account in QuickBooks step by step. First, you're going to need to navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page. QuickBooks Online should be your next choice. It's designed to cater to your business accounting needs with a focus on simplicity and efficiency. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you've typed in your username and password, click Continue. This will log you into the system and take you to your QuickBooks dashboard where you can access all the necessary features for managing your business finances. Now that you're on your dashboard, look for Settings, typically located on the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will display a range of options. From these options, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a directory of all your company's accounts and is fundamental for organizing your business's finances. In the Chart of Accounts, you'll want to create a new account. Look for a button labeled New, usually present at the top of the chart list, and click on it. This allows you to add a fresh account into your financial records, providing the foundation for the petty cash account. As you begin setting up your new account, you'll see an Account Type drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose Cash and Cash Equivalents. This selection ensures that your petty cash account is correctly classified under Cash Assets, which is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Next, move on to the Detail Type drop-down and select Cash on Hand. This detail type specifies the kind of cash account you're establishing, further refining your account categorization in QuickBooks. With these selections made, it's time to give your account a name. In the account name field, input Petty Cash. Naming the account clearly helps you and any other users easily identify the purpose of this particular account. Now, you have an option to enter the opening balance of your petty cash or select an as of date. This step is important as it establishes the initial amount of cash that your records will start with, ensuring that your petty cash transactions are tracked accurately from the beginning. Finally, click Save to create your petty cash account. With this last step, your account is fully set up and ready for use in QuickBooks. Congratulations, you've successfully created a petty cash account, which is now integrated into your company's financial ecosystem, capable of tracking every small business expense efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your petty cash is well managed, easily accessible, and transparent, helping streamline your minor transaction processes immensely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.